In the first episode of Minecraft for Beginners, we embark on a Minecraft 1.19 survival let's play, where I'll guide newcomers and those unfamiliar with Minecraft survival. From mastering the first night to taking on the Ender Dragon, I'll cover everything you need to know. Upon entering your first Minecraft world, you'll find yourself amidst various landscapes, each with its own unique features. While your starting environment may differ, there will always be trees, possibly water, and a few animals. If you're unfortunate enough to spawn without trees, it's advisable to generate a new world for a better starting location. As you observe the sky, you'll notice the familiar cycle of daytime. The sun rises, indicating the beginning of a new day. However, within 10 to 15 minutes, darkness will descend, bringing forth dangerous creatures like zombies and creepers. To survive the impending night, we must accomplish three primary goals: crafting essential tools, gathering food by hunting animals, and constructing a basic shelter. Now, let's focus on crafting our first tools. Begin by collecting wood from trees, the primary resource for crafting. By chopping down entire trees, you'll obtain logs, which can then be transformed into wooden planks. These planks serve as the foundation for crafting various tools and structures. Remember to utilize the crafting grid efficiently, as it provides access to essential recipes. Start by crafting a crafting table, a fundamental tool for expanding your crafting capabilities. With a crafting table in hand, you can access more intricate crafting recipes. Next, craft sticks, a versatile material used in crafting tools. These sticks, combined with wooden planks, allow for the creation of axes, pickaxes, and swords, essential for resource gathering and defense. Once armed with tools, proceed to gather additional resources. Continue harvesting wood to build your starter base and ensure an ample supply of materials. Remember to maintain your tools' durability by crafting replacements before they break, ensuring uninterrupted progress. With sufficient resources gathered, it's time to focus on securing food for sustenance. Hunt animals like sheep for wool and mutton, essential for crafting beds and providing nourishment. Utilize your tools efficiently to dispatch prey, ensuring a steady supply of resources. As night approaches, prioritize building a secure shelter to protect against hostile creatures. Utilize your crafting skills to construct walls, doors, and other defensive structures. Lighting your base with torches will prevent mob spawns, ensuring your safety throughout the night. As dawn breaks, reflect on your achievements and prepare for the adventures that lie ahead. With your basic needs met, including tools, shelter, and sustenance, you're ready to embark on further exploration and conquests in the world of Minecraft.